after a show, like pag may ginagawa akong drama series, nagpapahinga ako, I take a vacation after. Then, syempre, pag matagal-tagal, naghahanap ako ng pwede kong bagong gawin. So, last year, after ng show ko before, I went into pole dancing, nag-aral ako. Ngayon, I wanted to do something different. So sabi ko, why not start a business, a food business, since mahilig naman ako kumain. So nag-isip ako kung ano pagkain. Medyo mahirap siya. Pero kasi, I would consider burgers as one of my comfort foods and talagang favorite food ko siya. So, pinag-aralan ko siya. Talagang I did a whole lot of research. Halos lahat ata ng burger restaurants dito sa Manila, kinainan ko na or natikman ko na. Then, I wanted to put up something like in and out of the Philippines. Gusto ko ganun yung ma-achieve ko dito sa atin. So, yun, sinimula ko siya. Marami akong specialty burgers. Yung burger patties ko, they are 100% Angus beef. And talaga namang they are freshly delivered to my stall dito sa store ko. Talagang everyday na fresh talaga and talagang ground beef pa lang siya. So it's handcrafted, tinitimpla namin. And yun, yung timpla ko, sariling timpla ko talaga yun. As in, yun nga, natikman ko na lahat ng burgers. I wanted to make my patty a different one, a unique taste. It should have a unique taste talaga. Yun yung goal ko nung una. So, ilang food taste ako, nakailang luto ako at research hanggang sa nakuha ko na yung gusto kong lasa ng burger patty. So, yung best seller ko ay cheese bernal. Since mahilig ako sa 4 cheese na pizza, sabi ko, bakit hindi ko siya ilagay sa burger? So, yung cheese bernal, it has Gouda cheese, it has mozzarella stick, and may cheddar cheese at saka own recipe din ng cheese sauce. So, doon ko nakuha yung inspiration dahil mahilig din ako sa 4 cheese na pizza. And yung cheese bernal, I got its name from a fan in Instagram na nag-comment sa picture ko at nagpapatulong ako maghanap ng pangalan for that combo. So, sinuggest niya yung cheese bernal. Then, isa pa, bacon pa more. Loaded with bacon. So, yung bacon pa more, pinangalan ko siya. Kasi si Alden kasi, mahilig siya din sa mga pamor eh. Pag casual conversation kay Alden, parang mahilig magbiro and basta mahilig siya sa pamor. Yung mga words niya nilagyan ng pamor before. So parang naisip ko lang na kunin doon since gano'n naman yung concept ng bacon. Hi! Sana mabisita niyo po ang Meet Chris. It's actually, I called it Meet Chris para your chance also to get to meet me and mag-bonding tayo and makilala niyo ako through the stall. It's all about me. It's Meet Chris. It's located at 120 Don Alejandro Rosas Avenue, Barangay Obrero, Quezon City, and it's just very near Tomas Morato. It's just walking distance. So, sana makabisita kayo and I hope to meet you here.